If you want to check your closing report and take a print of it, you need to click this green button on the below bar. After clicking on it, it will open this screen which contains all the details, item wise summary, order wise, and cash and in bank. To take a print of it, you need to click this gray button, print X report. It will give you a print of all the detailed summary of today's sales. How many were made in bank, how many were made in cash, and for example, I want to check this water was sold 2 times today. Same with this. You can check all the details from here. After that, you can see this red button that says close day. You need to close day when you are closing the business. It is important because it will give the software a fresh start, and when you take the report tomorrow, it will only show tomorrow's sales. It won't continue from today. So it is important to close day whenever you are closing the business. Close day. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. It will close the software.